Home insurance versus contents versus buildings versus home emergency. Which one is better for full home protection? Your home is likely your biggest investment, and yet, most people misunderstand what their insurance really covers. The surprising truth is that home insurance isn't one size fits all. Buildings, contents, and home emergency cover each protect different parts of your home, and combining them wisely is the key to full protection. Let's start with buildings insurance. This covers the structure of your property, the walls, roof, floors, and permanent fixtures like bathrooms and fitted kitchens. If a fire, storm, or burst pipe damages your home, buildings insurance pays for the repairs or even a rebuild. It's essential for homeowners, and usually mandatory if you have a mortgage. Next comes contents insurance. This one protects what's inside furniture, electronics, jewelry, clothing, and personal items. Think of it this way: if you turned your house upside down, everything that falls out would be covered under contents insurance. It's vital for both homeowners and renters, especially if you own high-value items. Now, let's talk about home emergency cover, one of the most underrated policies. It focuses on urgent, unexpected breakdowns like boiler failures, plumbing leaks, or electrical faults. It provides fast access to qualified engineers, day or night, so you're never left dealing with a burst pipe or power outage on your own. So, which one gives full home protection? The answer is all of them together. Buildings insurance safeguards your structure, contents insurance covers your belongings, and home emergency cover handles sudden crises. Most people only realize gaps in their coverage after something goes wrong. But you won't have to. With the right mix of home insurance types, your property, possessions, and peace of mind stay protected year-round. In the end, real home security isn't just about locks and alarms, it's about having the right insurance when life's little disasters come knocking.